Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Squash featuring Sean Kingston. How we chop? You're way too beautiful, girl. Sorry. Big up myself, Sean. Big up myself. Squash, big up myself, my G. Here we jump to the one and here with the G. I'm set. Let's go. The sun up on the side, but don't watch it. You don't know the land work. Let's go. 6. Sean Kingston. Gale Memphis. Cement bag. Buckler. Sean, you chop now. You chop now. Alright. Lift up. Show me how you chop. Show me how you chop. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, you chop me, G. Lift the gate, telescope, bust it and bust it. I expect no better from him coming in like that. I expect no better from Squash doing that. No better. Violence. I like it. What you say?
Telescope, bust it, fully cold, fully ball. Money enough, me winning out. Enemies me killing out. Copy me and billing out.
Bumbo clad. Lift up again, man. Fire verse. Watch out. Fire verse. Ready, go, let's go.
Telescope, bust it, fully cold, fully ball. Money enough, me winning out. Enemies me killing out. Copy me and billing out. Some little boy, them silly yo, what are things pan video.
Them little boy silly yo, what are things pan video. Bumbo clad. That sound like a shot, you know. That sound like a shot a boss, you know. Who call the name right there? Who say my batty man right there? Jesus Christ, we'll have to get mixed up. Leave that in the comment section.
Telescope, bust it, fully cold, fully ball. Money enough, me winning out. Enemies me killing out. Copy me and billing out. Some little boy, them silly yo, what are things pan video. Can't style the boss, we been a lucky place. Lift up every rifle and the check my tick with shot.
Can't play this, can't have it. We can't watch yourself, no! We can't watch it! Watch out!
Telescope, bust it, fully cold, fully ball. Money enough, me winning out. Enemies me killing out. Copy me and billing out. Some little boy, them silly yo, what are things pan video. Can't style the boss, we been a lucky place. Lift up every rifle and the check my tick with shot your face.
Bumbo clad, with confident, with conviction behind it. Yeah, bust your bumbo clad.
Enemies me killing out. Copy me and billing out. Some little boy, them silly yo, what are things pan video. Can't style the boss, we been a lucky place. Lift up every rifle and the check my tick with shot your face.
Check my tick with shot your face. You emphasize on that. Yo, that verse, yeah. That verse, yeah, are probably one of the best verses me hear Squash to for a long time. That verse, yeah, brother. Don't take it lightly, brother. Just listen to the conviction, right? The confidence in that verse. Watch it.
Telescope, bust it, fully cold, fully ball. Money enough, me winning out. Enemies me killing out. Copy me and billing out. Some little boy, them silly yo, what are things pan video. Can't style the boss, we been a lucky place. Lift up every rifle and the check my tick, we shot your face. Boss see any see and watch me speak for blaze. My tick pa me belly, me go anywhere the killer brave. Dog them a dial every day. Lock the block, we no stray. Bust down, come chain, Portmore. We no lame, coulda flame. We a chop, we no cap. Me back, bust down, Cartier. Yalla give me pussy, I me never ask for. Yalla deep throat, me cocky, me no gonna brata. Self-made millionaire.
One more shot fire! Who da shot the fire? I'm not here to mix up any artists. I'm not here to speculate. You guys are here to do that for me. Eh? Yalla do what to him cocky? Him not ask for no brata.
Coulda flame, we a chop, we no cap. Me back, bust down, Cartier.
Squash is on fire right now. Yeah.
Yalla deep throat, me cocky, me no gonna brata. Self-made millionaire, never beg a offer. A fully 6 but we say Gaza.
A fully 6 but we say. Yeah.
Self-made millionaire. millionaire, never beg a offer. I fully
Big up a day.
we say Gaza.
Sean, may I get a verse? Or just a chorus? Sean, wait verse, brother. We need a verse from you, bro. Bumbo Clash and Jumpy Catch. Yo! Yo, man! Yo! I'm disappointed, man. This song too short. This song is 2 minutes, 5 seconds. We need at least 3 minutes, 20, 30 seconds. We need a next verse in this song. We need a next verse. We need justice. We need justice. Yeah, it's song, but we need a next verse, brother. You know, there must be a reason why the song short. There must be some sort of reason why behind it. Is it anything to do with TikTok? Is it anything to do with TikTok? I just see a comment here saying for those who are saying the song is short, TikTok has changed the way our songs are being produced and consumed globally. You just need a very catchy chorus, hook, and verse with lyrics, because if you notice, even in parties, club, the DJs ain't playing no more than 30-45 seconds. That's true. That's why Skilly Bang had the international audience gravitating to his song last year. That's true. That's true. That's true. Someone said, if that's the case, R.I.P. Dancehall, seriously, that song is bullshit. I don't agree with that comment. I don't think that the song is bullshit. I don't think the song is bullshit. I like the song. I just wanted more from the song. I wanted the next verse. If not from Sean, then from Squash. You see me? Yeah. It is an unexpected collab. I never see that one here forward. Yeah, I never see that one here forward. But it's nice. We just wanted more from the song. Song music video bad. Can't take away nothing from the video. Big up the production team. You see me? Big up the project. Big up the link where the two wanna have, but we just wanted something a bit more. At least the next minute tonight. At least the next minute. That would have said. But yeah, nice song. Squash verse sick. Well, I don't own a verse. Squash verse sick. Like the verse sick. I like how him get aggressive in the verse and thing. But anyway, I'm not gonna draw that one and more, so I'm gonna leave it. If you enjoy that one and want some more, please leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you new, and I'll definitely see you in the next one, man. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all my chop. Yeah.